Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project, we are going to build a 6x12 chicken coop with integrated run. The first step in building your chicken coop is constructing a strong base. Start by cutting 4x4 skids to the required length. Use a circular saw to make notches at both ends, setting the blade depth to 1 3/4. After making parallel cuts inside the marked lines, use a hammer to remove the material. Clean the recesses with a chisel and sandpaper to ensure a smooth, precise fit. Once your skids are ready, assemble the base frame by securing them with 3½ screws. Drill pilot holes to avoid splitting the wood. Now, it's time to start framing the walls of your chicken coop. Cut all the 2x4 components needed for the front, back, side, and end walls. Assemble the frames on a level surface, securing them with 3½ screws. For each frame, make sure the corners are square by applying the 3-4-5 rule and measuring the diagonals to ensure they are equal. Attach the frames to the base by aligning them with the skids and securing them with 2½ screws every 12 inches. Also, connect adjacent walls using the same screws for additional stability. Next, build the floor structure using 2x6 lumber for the joists. Cut the joists to size and assemble them on a flat surface with 3½ screws. Once the floor frame is ready, position the frame on top of the wall frames, ensuring everything is aligned flush. Secure the floor frame with 2½ screws. Then, attach 1/2 plywood to the frame, securing it with 1 5/8 screws every 16 inches along the edges. This will create a solid floor for the coop. To construct the roof, cut the rafters from 2x4 lumber, marking the cut lines for the bird's mouth cuts and using a circular saw. The cuts should correspond to a 212 roof pitch. Attach the rafters to the top of the walls, securing them with 4½ screws after drilling pilot holes. Install 2x4 purlins across the rafters, spaced 24 inch apart. Secure the purlins with 3½ screws, making sure to keep them aligned. Don't forget to install drip edges on the roof to direct water away from the structure and prevent moisture buildup. For the siding, cut 5/8 T1-11 siding sheets to fit the front, back, and side walls of the coop. Align the edges of the panels with the framing and secure them with 6-8D nails, spaced every 12 inches along the studs. Once the main walls are done, cut and fit the siding for the exterior side wall and around the nest box opening. Secure these pieces in place with nails to ensure a tight, secure fit. To create the nest boxes, assemble 2 frames from 2x2 lumber, securing them with 3½ screws. Join the frames together with 15-inch supports, then attach a 1/2 plywood floor to the frames. Install the partitions inside the nest box and secure them with 1 5/8 screws. Once the nest boxes are complete, attach them to the side of the chicken coop, making sure to align them with the opening. Secure them with 2½ screws every 8 inches. Install a door with hinges and a latch for easy access. For the run door, cut 2x4 lumber to size for the door frame. Drill pocket holes at both ends of the vertical components and assemble the frame with 1 1/4 screws. Add diagonal braces with 45-degree cuts to reinforce the door. Attach chicken wire to the frame and fit the door into the opening. Secure the door to the coop using hinges and install a latch to ensure the door stays closed and safe from predators. Once the basic structure of the chicken coop and run is assembled, add the finishing touches. Attach the 1x4 jambs around the chicken coop door, securing them with 6-8D nails. Install the chicken wire around the run area, ensuring it's stretched tightly and securely fastened to the framing. Check all joints and corners for smoothness, and apply a weatherproof sealant or paint to protect the wood from the elements. Finally, install the roosting bars, bedding, and any other interior features for your chicken's comfort. Your 6x12 chicken coop with a secure run is now ready for your flock. Thank you for watching. As always, full plans for this project are available on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all future projects. As always, you can find the full plans over at myoutdoorplans.com. Until next time, build your outdoor world.